like 7:40, 7:45 p.m. May last night. Last day on the Key West. Lule me pia bio sunscreen le me pia piao phit twa yo. Wa khaya to si ja me.
Key West မှာ sunset နေပြီ
Kaya to si me. Ha blo lo le je di ha kaya si.
Ibis Bay
Stone crab.
Ibis
Stone crab le di chi ya.
Hello
Hello.
Hello
Hello. ဟဲ့ကျွေးဟွာလောက်တယ်ဟွာလောက်တယ်ဟိုဗာလဲဝစီမဟုတ်တယ်တိုင်းငယ်မကန်ရဘူး तू နှုတ်သီးနဲ့လှုပ်လိုက်မယ်
ဒီကနေတယ်
ကနေ dancing လုပ်နေချစ်စရာ
dancing လုပ်နေတယ်
အော်ဟိုတယောက်ကငှက်ကိုတော့ဖမ်းနေဒီမှာကြည့်လားဟေးကောက်ပြနေချစ်စရာလေးချမ်း Hello
Hello
Can you talk
Are you What's your name Maggie Oh
ဘိုင်းစာလို့လားမသိဘူးဒီမှာလာတွေ့နိုင်တဲ့ manatee မျိုးခါရလောက်ကြမှာဟိုဆန်းဆက်လေးလားလှလိုက်တာနော်ဒီဟာလေးရလေဒီလိုမျိုးဖြစ်နေရလေနော်ဆန်းဆက်ခါစားလေ manatee သူရမ်းကြတယ်
ကဲတို့တွေကအခု
Night LED Kayak ဆို
Night
လုပ်မယ်
LED Kayak ကိုလုပ်မယ်
ကောင်းတယ်မလေးတော်သေးတယ်လောက်ကြည့်ပါလို့
ချက်ကြည့်တယ်ခါရက်က glass bottom ခါရက်ပြီးရင် LED light တွေနဲ့
ခုနပြောက်သွားပြီလေခုနမမေတို့သွားပြီလေ
အဲ့ဒါနဲ့ကြည့်တယ်
လာကြည့်ပြီးတော့ဘယ်လိုလုပ်ပြန်သွားပြီအော်ချင်းမ
အားရလည်းတွေ့ရပြီ
များတယ်ငါတို့လည်းနှားလိုက်တာအဲ့ night kayak ကိုလေလုံးဝ recommend လုပ်ကိုလုပ်ရမယ်နော်မကြည့်ရမ်းမိုက်တယ်တဲ့လားညဘက်မှာငါးတွေကအများကြီးထွက်တာတော့ဘာလို့လဲမသိဘူးမနှက်ဘက်တော့ကလေတိတ်မမြင်ရအောင်နော်ဟိုကြည့်တယ်နော်ဒါပေမဲ့တိတ်မလာအောင်နော်ညဘက်မှလာသိလား
အေးသွားလို့ဖြစ်တယ်မှာနေ sunset ဖြစ်သွားပြီ
အေးဟုတ်တယ်လေတိတ်မပြောဘူးနော်night paddle tour
လာကြည့်ဝါ
ပုံများလာတော့ခုနမရှိ
အေး
ဘူးပုံများလာသိလား
ကွာခါရက်လို့ရင်လည်းအစာကျွေးလို့ရရင်သိကောင်းပါပဲ
အဲ့တော့ဘယ်လောက်ကြလဲဆိုတော့ဘယ်လိုလဲတယောက်ဘယ်လောက်လဲတော့မသိဘူး250ကျန်$269
ဒီကဘယ်သူတို့ဘောကိုအခုပဲရက်သွားဒီဘက်ကတော့သူတို့ရဲ့ဟာတော့ private ဘောကားတယ်ဒါပေမဲ့ဟိုငါအဲ့တော့မများဘူးလားဒါပေမဲ့ကြီးအုပ်ကိုသိကြည့်လို့ကောင်းတာကားလိုက်ကြီးအုပ်ကိုကြည့်ရင်ဟေးအေးဟုတ်တယ်ဆက်သွားနေအောင်မင်းအားကြည့်
အဲ့မှာ bird တကောင်တွေ့လား bird တကောင်သူပါလိုက်နေအိတ်ငိုက်နေလားမသိဘူးတကူရဲ့
solid
Ready, guys?
That's why I'm saying I walk out 24/7
Let just
you believe that
let them not lost it in the water ပြောစရာYeah ဒီလိုပဲတယောက်နဲ့တယောက် push လိုက်ရုံပဲမင်းတို့က speed သိမ့်မရှိဘူး
Okay
Okay yes
Just take this. So we're in between seasons. Pretty good chance we're going to see some lobster. So if you get over a fatty, just call it out for me. And then the boating channel is on the other side, that red marker. So if there's any boats, they'll be in the middle of the channel. So on the way down to the bridge, we're just going to hug the trees to the left so we're not in anyone's way. And I already grabbed a couple things here. So just follow me up to that bridge. I'll get you all together up there. I'll bunch you up and then I'll show you. If you get too close to them and you weird them out, they'll go sideways to you. They take their tail and they start whipping around. They'll try and hit you with it. So I'm telling you, because there's one tree that all the big ones like to sleep in, that we're gonna run by. So when we get close to it, I'm gonna tell you guys about a dozen times not to run into it. Crab. These are red mangroves. These little guys will be running up and down the branches, hunting throughout the trees. So past this bridge here, I'm gonna get you guys up into the tunnel. If you guys are super clumsy, run into every tree on the way through there.
Oh my
If
god.
the tree's hard enough, you'll knock them out. They're gonna fall into your lap.
We're gonna collect a lot of them in our boat.
They're pinchy.
Oh, yeah.
We're double clumsy.
There's a shrimp in your boat.
That's punishment for what I eat.
Is that right?
Alright guys, so from here, we're gonna run up under the bridge. On the bottom here, growing around us. We were talking about them earlier. You got your red mangroves, and they are essentially trying to grow out to form an island. So as the water's running through, it'll kick up a bunch of sediment, and then we pulled some up. So if you guys look down how it's a little hazy now, so that sediment gets pulled up on the floor, it gets pushed up to the banks, the mangroves grab that, and that's where they're building with.
Sir.
Alright guys, we're gonna turn right up here, so don't miss it.
Wait, slow up your raccoon.
Raccoon? Is that raccoon? Oh, there's a little raccoon. Raccoon. Oh. Oh, we got something. We got something.
No.
I think he got something. Another big crab. Oh, shell.
So I got it.
Wait a second.
So snapper, grunts, yellowfin mahara, and barracuda, and there's chilling on the bottom. Just call it out and we'll swap them.
Okay.
So I'll get this guy in a jar and then we'll.
Crab. Taco you lah? No.
Oh no.
He's getting.
Damn it, the life of it.
Cái này là Pepe shop cái này. Okay. No. Don't even start it.
It's a spider crab. Spider crab.
It's like stone crab. You think so? What is that? What crab? Oh my god. Another one. His friend.
Alright guys, just hold the kayak next to you so we don't drift off.
Bye crab. Oh my god. Yeah.
It's a starfish.
Is that hard or soft or what?
Biddable.
It's spiky.
It's spiky, yeah.
He can describe better.
Starfish.
SpongeBob na
Look at this.
That's a little bigger than the one we caught.
Like sea slug 본자며.
Sea bunny.
Like a slug or
A big one?
well it's like this size.
My mom said I
My friend, how are you?
What's the name of the crab?
Spider crab.
Spider crab.
I hope it doesn't bite me.
Oh.
Does it not bite you?
They will.
Because he's holding the thing. Right here, what is this? Right here, what is it? Is that a slug or something?
What you got?
What is this
What
right
is
there?
The white color looks like a...
It looks like a.
Guys. Oh my god, that's funny.
Oh, no.
Look at that.
He escaped.
Oh my god. That's funny.
Wow.
What's the name of the crab
Oh, he'll
again?
pinch you, buddy.
Oh.
What's the name?
Shame face.
Shamefaced.
Shame face crab.
Oh.
Wow.
His hands.
Bring it to picture. Bye bye, shame face.
You take care.
Oh.
Oh, you try to hide.
The lobster. Trying to get out. Remember, he's
So they kick their tail, and that's how they swim backwards. So that's what he's doing. Got the picture?
Yes. Okay. Be careful.
So to catch them, you get them out. Feel the spikes? Yep. Alright guys, since we're at time here, I'm gonna start pulling y'all in. So we're gonna do these double.
တငယ်လေးတငယ်လေးတငယ်ဘာတွေ့လဲခါရလောက်တာဘာတွေ့လဲ
Dying lobster and big crab.
lobster big crab တကောဘာတွေ့လဲ
Coco so crab.
ဟုတ်ပြီဒီမှာပြီးသွားပြီပြီးသွားပြီဆိုတော့မယ်အများကြီးပဲတွေ့ခဲ့တယ်နော် slug sea slug လည်းတွေ့ခဲ့တယ် now မေမေဆို shrimp လည်းတွေ့ခဲ့တယ်မှန်ကြည့်တက်ကုန်ကြပြီဒီမှာမတက်ချင်လို့ရှောက်လော်နေတယ်အိမ်ငိုင်းနေ
Yeah, let me eat it.
တန်းငယ်ဖိုးတော်တန်းငယ်ယေပြောစရာကြီးမမလည်း shrimp
Just be careful with them on the steps.
Okay.
oh yeah dash shrimp that's right come on let's go hermit crab ဟုတ်လားဟဲ့သူ crab တွေအကုန်ကြည့်တာ
Hermit crab. No, do you want hermit crab?
အော်ဟုတ်တယ်ရောသူသိတယ်တဲ့လား
Do you want hermit crab?
ပြောကြရင်
So this is a ghost crab.
ghost crab
So there was a bunch of those in the grass. I'm sure you saw them. So he's a good example. See how he's missing his legs and his claw?
oh
So there's like a little scab where it attaches to the body. So when crustaceans get attacked, they pop their limbs off. It just pops right off. And then next time he molts, when he walks out of his exoskeleton, these will form little nipples, and then eventually that'll turn into another claw or another leg, whatever he's missing.
wow
So nobody eats these, but we do eat stone crab, and it's just a claw, so it's kind of the same principle. So I'm just showing you his face before I try and pull him out.
Hermit crab.
တန်းငယ်မှန်တာပေါ့တန်းငယ်မှန်တာပေါ့
I liked it with like.
All right, so I'll pull him
မ
out
မေ
here. We'll see.
မေမေတော့မ snail ထင်တာ
Hopefully I don't scare him.
ဝင်ကစုကောင်ရော
ဝင်ကစားဟုတ်တယ် hammer crab
So giant hermit crab, and then you can see how the claws are sideways. And the part you don't see is there's like a little piggy tail, so they can wrap up into the shells. And then full grown, he gets about 5 times this size. So these are the biggest hermit crabs in the Caribbean. And then the way you tell the difference, other than they're the only red ones, is if you look at their eyes, they're like a pretty emerald green color. So you can tell the difference between the species by their eyes like that.
He's cracking me up.
If you ever grab one of these, you grab them by the side because they can wrap around. They'll pinch you if you hold them behind them.
How do you find that?
where's the
That's how I make my money.
Yeah.